Hi, my name is Nikhil Afle. I'm a graphic designer and calligrapher by profession. I am practicing calligraphy in Roman as well as Devanagari script, but I am primarily focusing on Devanagari script, which is the old Indian script. I feel every designer or art practitioner should think about their roots and traditions, and it would be nice if they could include this in their practice.
It was absolutely worth coming here. This workshop was really good. I've always been a calligraphy enthusiast. I was really enjoying the process and learning all those tips and techniques and tools especially.
Meaning of calligraphy is the art of beautiful handwriting, and I would like to explore the beauty aspect of calligraphy in a different angle, different medium and a different dimension. India is blessed with a lots of scripts. We are actually blessed with a lots of scripts and beautiful ones. If one person can focus on their regional script, mother tongue, and work on that and explore it from its history and its roots and traditions and contemporizing it, it would be a great experience. Thus, we will be able to create a rich database and a library of a great Indian design language. I feel Devanagari is unexplored as an art form, so I am looking at the script in a different angle.